Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can create an account on Snapchat. To create a new account on Snapchat, so this is my Snapchat app on the Android device. If you didn't have this, just go to Play Store and you can download this. So this is the home screen of the Snapchat. You'll find login and sign up. If you already have an account, you can click on login. If you want to create a new account on Snapchat, just click on this sign up here. So I'm creating, so click on sign up. You can enter your first name and your last name and click on sign and accept. So when is your birthday? We can scroll here. Okay, continue. So this is the username and this is the suggested username directly by the Snapchat, or you can have your own something. Game dev tweets is already taken. Just type username available. This shows that this particular username is available. So when it is available, you can click on this continue here. Click on continue and choose a password. Click on continue. So it is asking to sign up with a mobile number, or I have an option with email instead also. So you need to, so for now I'm just showing with my email instead of my mobile number. So I'll click on this and I'll enter my mail. If you like to register with your mobile number, it's up to you, but now I'm just getting signed up using my email. So once you enter your email, you can click on continue and you can select a picture among these. Okay, to prove this is a verification process here, prove your Arenten robot. Tap the squares that contain the number 4. So we need to click all the images which contains 4. Remember, this process will be different for the different users. When you want to create the Snapchat, just follow whatever the condition here. So click on continue. For now my condition is to click all the images with the number 4. I have done that. So I can find my friends, means there are from some friend suggestions. I can skip it here. If you look at top right bottom or top right corner, you can see the option skip. So I want to skip this. Yes, I want to skip this. So this is how simply we can create a Snapchat. The Snapchat account is created and a confirmation email will be sent to the Gmail, and now I can use my Snapchat. So this is how you can create a new account on Snapchat. I hope this is helpful. If you feel so, please share it to your friend, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.